Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Mercedes Benz E Class. So if we click home button there, then we use the control. I think you can either, if you go to system, let's say, you've got Bluetooth devices there. Click on Bluetooth devices. It's saying connect device, no device connected. But if we then click to the right and go Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, you'll see there's a further menu on the right hand side. So click again to the right, and then you've got deauthorize. That's what we want to do. Click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize the following device? Barry's iPhone 12. Yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes Benz E Class 2019. So first of all, we need to make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we'll be watching out at the bottom. But from anywhere, actually, I'll just go to a different screen and make it more difficult. If we then we can either click on home, or there, the actual button for telephone, click on that. You've got reconnect phones or connect to new device. We want to connect to new device. So we'll just scroll down to connect new device, click, start search on the system, search from the device. I'm going to do it from the system. So that's looking Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. So we'll click on that. Wait for it to come up here. Now I've just actually deleted it from this system, so I might cock it up. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. And you'll notice there I didn't need to put, that was contacts and favourites to sync. I didn't need to put a PIN number in because it was a randomly generated one, and all I had to do was agree it was the same. So it's probably better doing it from the vehicle to device. And you see there Barry's iPhone 12 Pro is connected. I'll just show you how to play music from your phone through the audio system in this 2019 Mercedes Benz E Class. So if we go to music, we'll see there a record. I'm just going to turn that down. You see at the bottom the silver circle with the silver triangle, iPhone and Mercedes Benz Bluetooth with a tick next to it. That means any audio that plays through this phone, if you have it set right here, it will play through the speakers. So we'll go back to there. It should be playing. Now I can either go to media here by clicking that button, which is a hell of a lot simpler than clicking the home button here, and then going to media, click media. You see there, I Wish It Would Rain, Temptations. If I knock it across, you'll see media sources. If it doesn't come on automatically, if you can't see your phone, for instance, it could be, I'll just turn it down, no memory card, no device connected. So I'll click on memory card. So we'll do that again just to cover all bases. So from navigation, we want to play a record or a tune from your mobile. So you click play. Go over to either, we can select the home button there, and then go to media, click media. It says no memory card inserted. So what I have to do now is knock that across to media sources. There you go, media sources, and we want to select my phone. No track info available. Now if I turn this up, I turn that up there, and then here. That's it. That's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2019 Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen, you can either click the home button here, which is at the right, that's home and that's back. So click there, navigate to navigation, or a lot better way, the buttons are here. Click Navi. That's it. It's on, so it's on Navi. Then we knock the control over to the left-hand side. You see there, enter destination. Press the control for enter destination. We enter address or place of interest. We're Grosvenor Garage, P, or knock back for numbers, 5, 4, knock forward to get back to letters, E, A, Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR54AE. And you see here we've got select destination. So if we knock that up to select destination and click,
the route is being calculated.
that's it, that's how you do it.